Hello, thank you for stopping by. This is Grace with the Grit. I am about faith and I inspire people to be much more productive. So let's dig into it, right? How do you overcome peer pressure? Most people feel like they're too mature, and when you talk about peer pressure, you're referring to the younger ones, younger people, the younger generation, children, basically. But no, anyone can actually be affected, and influenced by peer pressure. Now, if you ask me, I would say that peer pressure in itself is a personal problem. Yes, we're talking about your peers, we're talking about people around you. However, it 100% has to do with you. Okay, when you get up and realize that, okay, there's something wrong, I seem to be following the waves a little bit too much, then you're one step into solving the problem. So obviously, peer pressure has to do with being influenced by your peers. Okay, not just by anyone, not just by people you watch around you. It actually has to be a group of people which are very close to you. You tend to be influenced by, their suggestions, their decisions. They would influence your way of life. They would influence your likes, your dislikes. Now, I'm gonna give us 3 very simple reasons on how you can overcome peer pressure. Number 1, you need to know who you are. This is the first question every human being on earth should be able to answer. Who are you? Let's not even ask, why are you here? That is a topic for another video. But who are you? Right? You need to ask yourself that question. Actually, sit down, think deep, reflect, and answer the question, who am I? Who am I? What do I carry? When people look at me, what do they see? Do they see a good person? Do they see a bad person? Do they see a friendly person? Do they see an aggressive person? Who am I? So ask yourself these questions. What sort of character traits do you carry? Now, follow me as I go on. These are 3 steps, but this is the foundational step. Know who you are, okay? And if there's any 1 or 2 traits about yourself you feel shouldn't be a part of Grace, shouldn't be a part of John, you want to get that out of the way, you want to change, you want to build new habits. As they say, it takes 21 days to build a habit, okay? You want to consciously make efforts to actually take new steps and build new habits. Definitely, these would be habits which are pleasing to you, and in the long run, habits which are pleasing to everyone around you. Secondly, you need to value yourself. You want to overcome peer pressure. That's it. Once you know who you are, then you value yourself. I did say that if there are a couple of things you want to get out of the way, get them out of the way, add in the good things, and then value yourself. Okay? Value yourself. Do not let anyone talk down on you. Do not let anyone tell you what you should be doing or what you cannot be doing, right? Believe in yourself. You really need to value yourself as a person. Some things need to come, from within. They need to come from within. Yes, receiving this information from people sounds really good and is really appeasing, and everyone likes to be told good things. Everyone likes to be told that they're doing well. However, the person from whom it will come, for which it will matter most, would be yourself. You want to also hear it from yourself. You want to be able to encourage yourself. All these things you found out about yourself, you should love. Never think, I'm too short, I'm too fat, I'm too dark, No, value yourself because you are unique. You are special. There are no 2 people on earth with your fingerprints. That is how special you are. Okay? You need to consciously, constantly value yourself. Everyone on earth at one point or the other lacks motivation. Okay, there's nobody who would tell you he's always motivated to go to the gym, he's always motivated to, I don't know, read his Bible, he's always motivated to engage in, no. There would always be, there would always be that little time where you feel, oh God, I need encouragement, or oh God, I need a break, but you need to value yourself. The skills you carry, the accomplishments that you've obtained, value yourself. And yes, this would pull you out of peer pressure. Now, thirdly, you need to find your voice. That's it. Find your voice and learn to stand your ground. If you feel you're trying to pass a point across and you may be coming across rudely, find another way to say it, right? If someone gives a suggestion, you can as well make your own suggestion. You guys are pairs. You're probably in a group. If you're listening to them, there are some things you should be able to say, and they also listen to you. Okay, so find your voice amidst this friendship, amidst the chaos of life, amidst everything going on around us today. Find your voice. Learn to stand your ground. You should not be easily shaken. Okay, you should not be easily moved or distracted. Focus on what you want and find your voice, especially when you know that you're doing the right thing, especially when you know that whatever your peers are suggesting at that point is not the best way forward. Don't waste your time thinking, oh, let me just try what they've said. Let's just hang out one more night. Let's just do this. Let's just do that. Find your voice and stand your ground. Now, these are the 3 very basic tips I had, but they're very, very helpful. Okay? Know who you are, value yourself, and find your voice. If you've gotten to this point, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video helps you. Please share. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If there are any other type of videos you would like to see on this channel, kindly let me know. I'll make sure to give you the sort of content that you want. Otherwise, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Once you smash the thumbs up button, YouTube would automatically, pop this video in the faces of people who need to hear what has just been said here. So thank you so much as you do that. And until I see you again, have yourselves a lovely day. Cheers.